my dear future doctors. Today I just came up with a very important information. So we know that the city intimation has came 2 days back. So everybody was so panic and confused a lot that exam will prepone or what will happen. So definitely we know last few years, you know the exact exam date, the application date, application closing date, extension, everything was just ditto. There was no change, nothing happened. But this time what happened? The city intimation was little early, not just little early. Last year it was on 23rd April and usually it will come after April 20th only. So many students were got panic and they were just having a lots of confusions regarding this. So I just wanted to tell you the city intimation is little early, which means almost 10 days before, is an indication that definitely we know there are many problems which is happening in some other countries. The war is going on. So definitely it is a kind of we need to prepare yourself, okay, for the examination. So if you are getting the city and everything little early, you can prepare yourself. You can just make the travel arrangements. So that was the one of the major reason. So don't get panic. Exam is not going to postpone or prepone. Definitely we know there are many reasons for it. People are thinking like they will postpone and they will prepone. And last in a few years back also the same scenario was happened, but the exam was happened on the same date. Okay, and many students were thinking like this is the admit card which you need it, but don't think like that. So city intimation is just giving you the idea about which city or let's say where you're going to write the exam. That is the only giving that is the only data which is given by the city intimation, and you can just take a printout of it, no worries. But the admit card usually again that will be coming 4 or 5 days before. So this year also we are expecting for 5 days before, which means after April 28th we can expect any day this admit card. And definitely when it comes to admit card, we know that there are few things we should do it before we are going to the exam hall. So first thing is like you should download the admit card, because it is not just for the exam time. You should carry it throughout your journey. And this admit card, you can just find it from the you can just go for the NTA website. Okay, so there you will be getting, once it is published, once it is came in the portal, you can see in the window there will be an option to download the admit card. You can just click there. You can just give your roll number and everything. Definitely you will be you entering into it and you are going to get the admit card. And in the admit card you can see some empty columns are there. First one is for your postcard size photo, that I don't want to tell you again because you already apply during the application time also you have the postcard size photo and all, so that you have to paste in the admit card. Next is passport size photo, which is also required. Third thing is nothing but our left hand thumb impression, which also you have to do it. And there is another column which is nothing but for the this signature. Okay, that signature you should do it in front of the invigilator, not just from your home. You can just do this signature thing once you enter into the exam hall. The invigilator will come to you and they will guide you to do it. During that time only you can do it. And also guys, you should make sure whatever be the details given in the admit card, including the exam city, everything you should check it. Your father's name, mother's name, whatever be the details given in the admit card, you should verify, because many students were struggling once they get into the when they are coming for the exam hall, few datas were, or let's say few details about yourself is wrong. Okay, but make sure you will be verifying just before going for the exam. And definitely these things, the postcard size photo, passport size photo, the thumb impression, you should do it before. And when it comes to signature, that will be in front of the invigilator. This is what has happened in the last few years, and I don't think like this year they will be making any changes or something. If there is a change, definitely I will update you, and most probably there won't be any change in the admit card system and everything. It will be coming on time and you can just download it from the portal and you can carry while you're going for the examination. So thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.